Good morning to all. In the previous class, we studied about environment. Now we will discuss about niche. Niche is one of the important concept in the environment. So, niche can be defined as the role a particular species play in an ecosystem. It is essentially the way how an organism lives and survives. It is fundamentally the study of the interaction and dependency of living organism with their physical environment. So next, niche width. The niche width of an organism refers to a theoretical range of conditions that a species could inhabit and successfully survive and reproduce with no competition. The niche width is defined as the parameters of this range which are determined by biotic and abiotic factors such as appropriate food sources and suitable climate respectively. The niche width often differs from the area that a species actually inhabits, with the area a species actually persists in referred to as its realized niche width. This is due to interspecific competition with other species within their ecosystem and other biotic and abiotic limiting factors. A species realized niche is usually much narrower than its theoretical niche width as it is forced to adopt its niche around superior competing species. So next one is niche overlap. Niche overlap occurs when two organismic units use the same resources or other environmental variables. In Hutchinson's terminology, each n-dimensional hypervolume includes part of the other or some points in the two sets that constitute their realized niches are identical. Overlap is complete when two organismic units have identical niches. There is no overlap if two niches are completely disparate. Usually, niches overlap only partially with some resources being shared and others being used exclusively by each organismic unit. So, after niches overlapping, we will study about fundamental and realized niche. In 1957, G. Evelyn Hutchinson described two forms of niche. One is fundamental niche and second one is realized niche. Both fundamental and realized niches refers to the environmental position that species occupy in an ecosystem. Fundamental niche represent all the environmental conditions where a species is able to live, and the realized niche is where the species actually lives. Other names for these niches are pre-competitive and post-competitive. In a fundamental niche, an organism can take advantage of all the biotic and abiotic factors in an ecosystem without competition from other species or pressure from predators. This niche narrow when other organisms arrive and there is competition for food and breeding partners, or when predators start hunting in the area. The organism will survive if it adapts to the new conditions of its realized niche. Next is character displacement. Character displacement is the term used to describe an evolutionary change that occurs when two similar species inhabit the same environment. Under such conditions, natural selection favors a divergence in the characters, morphology, ecology, physiology of the organism. This is about niche or niche. Thank you.